alimpuyok is used in Filipino meaning amoy o singaw ng kaning sunog or smell of burning rice, strong emission of steam or smoke in English phrase. Example, ang kusina ay amoy alimpuyok. Awangan is used in Filipino meaning walang hanggan. The English term is forever. Example, awangan ang pagmamahal ko para sa iyo. Anluwage. The English of this is carpenter. Most Filipinos prefer to use the Spanish-derived word carpentero. Anluwage carpenter, lalaking anluwage, male carpenter. Anluwaging gumagawa ng muebles carpenter who make furniture. A skilled worker who makes finishes and builds wooden materials, also house. Example, ang anluwage ay pulidong gumagawa ng bahay na kahoy.